Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday Hacks. Today we're talking about 8 easy design hacks to make your home look more expensive, without breaking the bank. If you've ever wondered how to give your space that luxe designer touch, keep watching. First up, statement lighting. Swapping out plain light fixtures for something bold can instantly elevate a space. Whether it's a unique chandelier, pendant lighting, or a striking floor lamp, great lighting can be both functional and stylish. Look for lighting that reflects your personal style but also complements the room's aesthetic. And remember, lighting with a dimmer option adds that extra touch of elegance. Next, go monochrome. Sticking to one color scheme with varied shades and tones can make your space feel cohesive and modern. This can be anything from neutrals like gray and beige to more vibrant colors if done subtly. Add texture with different materials like a velvet cushion with a linen sofa to keep things interesting. Mirrors aren't just for checking your reflection. They make rooms look bigger and more luxurious. Place a large mirror opposite a window to reflect natural light and create a sense of space. Opt for mirrors with interesting frames to double as artwork and add a touch of personality. Tip 4. Declutter and embrace minimalism. A clutter-free space naturally feels more high-end. Removing excess items and sticking to key decor pieces makes your space look organized and polished. Think of it as letting each piece breathe. Pro tip: use baskets or storage ottomans to tuck away any items you need but don't want on display. Tip 5. Play with large-scale art. Large art pieces can act as a focal point in your home and create a gallery-like feel. The good news? You don't have to buy original art. Prints or DIY canvas paintings can work wonders. Pro tip: place large art above the sofa or console to anchor the space and draw the eye. Tip 6. Invest in luxurious textiles. Texture makes a big difference. Adding luxurious textiles like velvet pillows, faux fur throws, or wool rugs gives any room a sophisticated and layered look. Pro tip: stick to neutral colors for textiles if you want versatility, or go for bold colors if you're aiming to add some vibrancy. Tip 7. Add greenery for a fresh look. A touch of greenery can make your space look alive and luxurious. Choose plants that are easy to care for, like snake plants or succulents, to add that natural vibe without high maintenance. Pro tip: if you're not a plant person, high-quality artificial plants can give you the same effect. Tip 8. Upgrade your hardware. Finally, hardware. Changing drawer pulls, door handles, and faucets to more stylish ones can make a big difference in the overall look of your home. Brushed brass, matte black, or stainless steel are popular finishes that look timeless. Pro tip: choose hardware that's in line with your home's style, modern, vintage, or farmhouse, to keep things cohesive. And there you have it. 8 easy hacks to make your home look expensive. These tips are affordable, simple, and can transform any space. Let me know in the comments which hack you're going to try first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more design hacks.